Guys, you never experienced this before, so you literally saw a door closer shut episode, but somehow I just literally just did like this. Welcome to my world of a door closer. I'm gonna show you. Wow, that's it all. But still like. I'll go. Close. On my foot. Maybe will be shut. Oh, that's just shut. Wow. As you can see, I got my types in there. And what I like to think I want to show you is this pipe. My dad built this yesterday. It's worth it. It's going to start when it's raining. When it's raining, it's go down this pipe and one down to this. So it will be okay. Just a moment. So this is a this pipe. I want that when it's raining. I might have show you, but I might not do. But I can try. I do my best. I can't just show you this. They're also my solar lights. You don't know one of these. You don't know one of these really. This is my scooter, so I'm gonna show you how to do it. There he is. Are you ready? Oops. In 3, 2, 1, go. There you are. Bye-bye. Ah! Doo-doo. Doo-doo. See ya. Motorcycle and then back to her shed. It's done. There we go. There we go. Yes, yes, yes. Once I can go inside. Yep, that's good. 3, 2, 1, go. So this is what we look from the inside. Now we're gonna go outside. Huge. Perfect. Good. I have my mic. I cut that because look at this masterpiece. So guys, can't go up there because it's a little bit dangerous. I'm here to go boom. Ta-da! Back to the shed. Wow. In the next one, you know what it is? My clock. Anyways, pipe. table gas poverty. What was that? Oh God. What are you doing? Aluna. Yeah. Beep 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 beep. Me. A peep. A peep. A peep. A peep. A peep. So I think one more movement and then done. Wow. And that was good. So guys, that is for this episode. So in the next episode, it will be this again because there's a 1 week off school. So bye guys.